Hi, welcome back. In our previous video, we structured the search funnel and defined the crucial order of execution. Now, we will go step by step to add and configure algorithms in your funnel. Navigate to search, then search algorithms. We will now build the funnel from the top down, prioritizing precision. Let's start with number recognition. Select the component from the drop-down and click Add. This algorithm looks for specific product codes. Set the stop/continue drop-down. If you choose stop, the search stops here if find a perfect match by number. Drag the slider to increase or decrease its influence on the final result list. Next, we add exact match. This block compares the query exactly with the selected attribute. Add the block to the funnel. Once added, you must specify which data fields this algorithm should analyze. Exact match targets one specific attribute, like EAN or SKU. If you want to target both, you have to add multiple blocks of this algorithm. Select the desired attribute. Set the stop/continue dropdown and drag the slider. The search stops here if it finds a perfect match. We continue with exact start. This is important for fast typing. It compares the beginning of the query with the selected property. Add the desired attribute, set the stop/continue dropdown, and drag the slider. Next, we add the category match. This checks if the entire search query exactly matches a category name. You can also exclude categories from your search by selecting them. Inside the block, you find three important settings. First, use configured builder, sorting, and filter settings for the matching category. When checked, this ensures that the display of the search results immediately adopts the builder, sorting, and filter rules configured for that specific category. Second, use conjugations. This ensures the match succeeds even if the customer uses a plural or different grammatical form of the category name. And third, use synonyms. This allows the algorithm to recognize a match if the customer uses a word you've defined as a synonym for that category. Set the stop/continue dropdown and drag the slider. Next, the word search, your primary full-text search engine. Attributes in the word search define the search scope and are the specific data fields that the algorithm will search through to find matches. You can link all descriptive attributes, such as name, product type, and color. Select the desired attributes and click on the plus icon. You can select auto-correction for each attribute. This feature ensures that if a customer makes a typo, the system automatically corrects it to the most likely intended value, preventing zero result pages. However, be selective. You should generally disable auto-correction for technical attributes like SKU or EAN codes. In these cases, you want the algorithm to look for an exact numerical match rather than trying to correct or conjugate parts of a specific product ID. You also find three other settings. Full text rank. When enabled, products are sorted by full text rank instead of the configured sort order. But since this relevance-based algorithm can override the carefully configured sorting in Tweakwise, we recommend leaving this option disabled and letting the configured sort order do its job. Search on conjugations ensures the search finds matches based on different verb forms or pluralizations. For example, running when searching for run. Also search for words that start with the search term enables a search where partial words typed by the customer still find products. You can also remove common punctuation from the search query, preventing characters like hyphens or commas from causing zero results. Set the stop/continue dropdown and drag the slider. We often add two-word search blocks, one for your most important attributes with a higher weight, and a second for the remaining attributes with a lower weight to ensure a more refined search. Next one is vector search. This algorithm uses an AI model to search for a match in values generated by the model. This is usually linked to attributes that benefit from semantic understanding. Set the stop/continue dropdown and drag the slider. Our last search block is fuzzy search. This is the ultimate fallback algorithm to prevent zero results. Add your desired attributes. We advise to set this to a low weight, ensuring it only contributes if there are no results found in previous blocks. You can select auto-correction for each attribute. Set the stop/continue dropdown and drag the slider. Click Save and you have created your search algorithm funnel. In the demo shop, you can analyze your search results. By selecting Search Algorithm per tile, you can see the specific scores for each product. By selecting Search Result per Algorithm, you can see exactly which block in your funnel was responsible for the match. To summarize, select relevant algorithms that match your goals, from precise number recognition to broad word searches. Choose your attributes to decide exactly which data fields the system should search through. Control the flow by selecting Stop or Continue and determine if the search should stop at a perfect match or keep looking deeper into the funnel. Weigh your results by using the slider to define the importance of each algorithm, ensuring the most relevant products always rise to the top. Contact support if you are unsure about advanced configuration changes. By selecting the right algorithm blocks and linking the correct attributes, you ensure Tweakwise always delivers the most relevant products. Good luck!